All right, I'm gonna do a repair on this one. This is the far left side, where this will be our access, where we'll access the roof with the equipment, because there's nowhere to access it on the front. All right, so we're gonna place this roof, this shingle right here. Come on. Come on, baby. There you go. Couldn't get that nail because look at the head. All right, put it back. Woo. That's steep, man. All right, so now I'm just gonna lift the nail, put it in. Okay, look, that crease, get my chalk, see, that one crease, look at that, crease, oh, that's good, that one crease, so slight creasing on the north side, but it did crease it. It was lightly creased. It's not as bad as the other side, but it did crease it. And like I said, this would be our access slope where we'll access all our equipment on this slope right here, because there's just no way we could do it in the front with the flower beds in the garage and things of that nature. All right.